Hey there, this is the girl ready or set to go out for national assemblies to do something, and she's just checking up if she's good, and yeah, and I'm good to go. Today, we got to the National Assembly, the gate, and it was drizzling, it was raining, and they just have to check us all up there, the security, and yeah, we left there for um the office. I have to just make everything like on point. So it was already raining heavily. Just have to drive through and get there, and yeah, your baby girl was kind of like, I don't know what's going on the environment. So I'm trying like see if the rain will stop on time. And I was like, what's happening? What's going on? This rain should stop, guys. You need to have seen how I was worried. And yeah, God did it. And I'm so excited that the rain was about stopping. And I was like, okay, okay, thank God. About to step down and move. Period, guys. So this is the way Princess Lady. Yeah, working as a model to the National Assemblies to tag and do something important about my document stuff. And yeah, so this is the procedure. Everybody have to go through this place and go to the National Assemblies. And yeah, this the main procedures. So after that, I move straight up. That's the president right there. Then I moved straight up to the Senate, and they were all doing some stuff there. And yeah, I have to use this elevator, like escalator. I don't know what you call it, but it's opened up, and it was really cool. Just trying to be careful, and yeah, down to the fourth floor, where I just have to get some stuff done, and the princess is out. So, come on, come on. So this is the girl. Hello guys, I'll show you guys my face. So we'll go straight up to the office and get things done on point. Like, what did I say? On point. You heard me right. On point. So let's go. Still going. So many things running through my head. So I was like just thinking, okay, so I have to start somewhere. I go to the office, and here, straight to the deal. So I brought the document which I was about, working out, and pop up with lots of questions. So I need to get it right. And yeah, I got some documents from High Court and other stuff I needed, basically, and clearing it out. Like I needed to photocopy this one to be sure. Asking the question if this is the right one, of copy it, or know if there's anything I need to do before making the procedures. So that was done, and I was really happy because half work done. So yeah, moving straight up to the next stage was going to the office of the deputy clerk. We have to go to the deputy. So guys, it wasn't funny, but your baby girl, the Lord is my muzzle, and I was happy because I was relieved, kind of, yeah, deputy clerk legislative. So there are a lot of activities going on right there, and I just have to do some little quick stepping out stuff. The baby girl have to do some things like a model, baby girl. Because I was done with the whole stuff that brought me here to National Assemblies, Abuja, and I needed to take some pictures, and I was just volunteering with the camera and taking the pictures. Hi guys, I knew you guys were there, and just had to say hello. So yalla, this is me trying to take some work and pictures of myself. And I was loving the dress, the pink, and the bag. Just was just giving. Just wanted to do this Barbie stuff, and I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. You guys shouldn't get tired of me, girls. Like seriously, So I was almost done with the whole pause and I was laughing, guys. I miss you all and I wanted you guys to see every step that I took. And I was done. So yalla, subscribe if you're new here and you have a place in my heart. I love you. Until next time, drop a comment, please. Bye bye.